Before you experience your first float, it's always good to hear a few tips to help maximize your experience. Float therapy involves effortlessly floating in 11 inches of Epsom salt water that is heated to your body's temperature. As you float, the absence of all external stimuli creates a relaxing escape. Flotation therapy is a deeply relaxing, calming, and transformative experience that improves your physical and mental well-being. Please arrive 15 minutes before your appointment time. When you arrive, please turn off your cell phone and use the restroom if needed. In our changing room, make sure you take off all jewelry, wipe off face makeup, and remove contact lenses. We provide you with earplugs, which we require all floaters to wear to protect your ears from the salt during your session. To use, make sure your hands and ears are dry. Roll the moldable silicone into a ball and place it over the outer ear canal, avoiding your hair. Don't insert into the ear canal, but rather cover your ear by gently pressing to create a seal. Now you are ready to enter your private float room, which has its own float suite and shower. Towels, as well as hair care and body products are provided. Once in your room, make sure the door is firmly closed and locked. Before you shower, it's important to cover any cuts with a thin layer of Vaseline to seal out the salt water. You will find the Vaseline in your float room. For your health and safety, we require all clients shower before they get into our float suite. Use body wash and wash your hair twice with shampoo. Do not use conditioner until after your float. After showering, dry your face. This is important as you don't want water droplets causing an itch or annoyance while floating. Getting salt water in your eyes will sting and be quite unpleasant. Avoid splashing or touching your face while floating. If you do get salt water in your eyes, don't panic. Just use the provided spray bottle and face cloth inside the tank to rinse your eyes and dry your face. When you're ready, enter the suite slowly. Sit down in the middle of the cabin. To start your session, press the button with the light symbol. Slowly lay back into the water with the door behind your head. Consciously relax your lower back and you'll float comfortably. Take a few deep breaths and allow your body to fully relax. Since this is your first float, you may feel some slight tension in your neck. Place your arms by your sides until the water settles. Then place your arms above your head in the water to take the pressure off your neck and shoulders. From here, you can reposition your body to help you feel at perfect ease. If you still feel too much tension, you may use our head halo. This will create an atmosphere of complete relaxation and give you the feeling of floating weightlessly in space. You'll start to be aware of your breathing and your heartbeat. This is a good sign. In the absence of external stimulation, this awareness will actually help you relax. A useful and simple technique to begin quieting the mind is to slowly count backwards from 100 with every exhale. If you lose count, start over at 100. This is just a tool to give your brain something to do as you begin to relax. After a time, your mind will slow, and this will become more effortless. Your experience will depend on your state of mind and your expectations. At the end of your session, a light will slowly come back on, and a calming voice will alert you to make your way out. Sit up gently and slowly stand, looking up before stepping out to allow as much water as possible to fall back into the suite. Return to the shower to wash the remaining salt from your hair and body. Now you may use conditioner on your hair. If possible, after you float, don't rush off or start to worry about what's next in your day. Instead, enjoy how you feel. Recommend us to your friends. Relax, dream, and become inspired.